Let me show you how to sell digital products inside of Paystack. So Paystack allows you to sell digital products, and also importantly, they also process the payment for you and just send you the naira to your bank account. So consider Paystack to be the Stripe for Africans, because technically Stripe actually owns Paystack. So let me show you how to do it. The first step is obviously you have your digital product that you want to sell. So this video is not going to cover how to create a digital product. It's basically going to just walk you through how to use Paystack to sell it, to list it, and then to receive payments with it. So I'm inside of Paystack. You obviously need to create a Paystack account. So I'm inside one Paystack account, and this is where you see your revenue in the last 30 days. So in this this account here, you can see how much we've made, just 4,500. You can see the day we made it here, and you get all the other stuffs here. You see the success rate for the product. You can see the total transactions you had in the month. So here it tells us that we had 3 transactions, 2 abandoned transactions. So 2 persons did not go through with the transaction. And if you click on it, you see probably the reason, maybe their card failed and stuff like that. But Paystack will instantly or in less than 24 hours send you the money. But in case you wanted to withdraw it, you can just come here, click on withdraw. But currently they already sent this payment, so there's nothing here for you to withdraw. So for you to list the product, you want to come right here, and you want to come somewhere where we have the payment pages. So you can list it as a payment page, and people can just pay you through the link. So you just send them the link, or you can list it as a product and put it on your storefront. So I usually prefer the payment pages because it's much faster, but this is how you can do it. I'll just walk you through how you do the both of them. So for payment pages, you click on payment pages, and this is where you actually create the payment. All right, so you are creating a payment link. So you click on new page here, and you select the payment type. So it's a one-time payment. So because we are doing a digital product, you use the first one. If you want to sell like a physical product, you can use this one. All right, or if you have more inventory, you can use this one. But it's a one-time payment for me, so I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to name it. So let's say I want to sell an ebook called Facebook Ads Checklists. All right, so I put the name here, I write the description, I can put the picture like the banner. So I want to receive fixed payment for this, so I'm going to call it, let's say I want to sell this for maybe 15,000 Nigerian naira. And if I wanted to collect the phone number to the of the buyers, I can select that. But if you click on advanced option, we could redirect them to come to us if we wanted, but we don't want to do that. So you just know that you have these options. You can add fields and collect other things that you want to collect, like extra information and all of that. But we are good with this, so we just click on create. All right, so this is going to be our page. So if you copy this page and you go and check it out, let's say we go to incognito mode and you check it out, this is going to take them to the product page that we have created. All right, and if they fill their information, they have the option to pay. As you can see, they cannot change this payment, and they see if you had uploaded the description and the product picture, they'll see everything right here. All right, but after paying, how do they get the product or the file that you want them to download? If you come to the page and you click on the edit the page here, you can add a redirect. So after they pay, you can redirect them to where they can download this product. So let's say you have this product, you uploaded it to maybe Google Drive, and they can just download it from there. You put the Google Drive link here so that they will be redirected there. If you want them to come to your WhatsApp or to any messenger app that you use, you want to put the link here so that they can write you after that. This is how you deliver the product.